Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 working on Entegra Emblem. So in the last video we worked on removing the sink. Go watch that video, figure out why we had to remove the sink. But now in this video we'll be focusing on the fridge area. So as you can see right here, that says all came undone. Like that. I'll bring you guys over some more so you can see what I'm talking about on this side. Open that. As you see right there, that's really bad right there. All the trim's coming undone right there. This fridge has been out of this thing probably 8 times. It's been to repair shop. I don't know what the problem was. They couldn't get parts, and then they got parts, and they tried to fix it, didn't fix, and they had to rip back out again. Then the water valve broke in it this past winter, and in June I went to go hook up the water and it was leaking, so had to pull it back out. I did it myself because they didn't want it going to that repair shop because they did crappy work. And besides, I mean, the parts not being available, which ain't their fault, but they're factory trained technicians, people. And in the last video, like I was saying, yeah, like in the last video I was saying, they basically didn't give two craps about it. And you see right there, look at that, and it just gets worse. Like, all the screws were stripped out. I had a heck of a time dealing with all that nonsense, and haven't even talked to the dealership about the issue. I'll be calling Jayco tomorrow and see what they say about the issue. They're either going to do one or three things. One, they're going to say we can't help you. Two, they're going to want to investigate the issue and have this go to a repair facility that's factory trained, or they're going to pay me for my time and labor and send a check for all the damages and all the half-ass wear, basically. But I got a rubber mallet, and you want to use a rubber mallet on this because you don't want to use a regular hammer. And only other thing I can think of is unscrew this trim here and take this trim off and get all them staples out. But of course that screwdriver is not the right one. Now this is a residential refrigerator in our motorhome, and that's a problem in itself. It has rollers on it, and when I had it apart, there was no board under it. No, the wheels didn't lock or anything. And don't want to break the trim. But it looks, maybe I can get my light in there. It's just that damn freaking half-ass trim board. That crack? I'd rather be less pressure on this than there is. But those are just all staples. So what I'm going to do, you can see I'm trying to be as gentle as possible. Okay. Oh, it's cracked. But yeah, it's like this. This is the bottom right here. The company who worked on the fridge before me did all that, and I documented that. That you don't see, so I'll probably just put some glue in there. But there's nothing I could have done there. Got to pull out all these screws, and I'm just gonna start drilling drywall screws in that, and then I'll countersink them so you can put some wood putty over and you won't even know. Which I didn't have to do that, but gonna have to do that. See, unlike the dealership, this one due to get worked on. N.R.T. actually I don't like how that is. I don't like that one bit. I don't like that one bit. But there's that piece of trim. And look at that. Yeah. Look at this. The whole fucking frame came undone. Look at this. Look at that. You seeing that? The whole damn... So we got a work cut out on this unit. I don't know if I'm gonna have to take the fridge back out. Hopefully not. Wasn't the easiest to do by myself. But I gotta get a damn... I could do something like that and just anchor it like that. And I got some deck screws. I'll probably use some deck screws on this unit, some T25s. But I first gotta go find my needle nose and remove all these damn staples. And on this side, there's some wood that got trapped in behind that I couldn't get out, so it kind of broke. But see all that crap. But that's what N.R.T. will do. He's gonna go get his pair of needle nose, and then we're gonna get them screws out. Alright guys, we're back. I just found some vice grip, needle nose vice grip I'm gonna use instead, or locking pliers, because vice grip is a brand name. So we'll basically just start pulling these damn staples out one by one. I mean, I was thinking about using some cabinet nails, or some trim nails, but you need some strength in that, and I think drywall screws, for most of this, is the way to go. I'm going to countersink them a little below the surface so you don't see the heads of them. Just get some glue or some wood wax stuff to make it blend in. One's being stubborn. Or to the ones that won't come out, you can just bend them over and break them away. It looks like they nailed them in from the back side. But how in the heck them screws in there? That's what I'm wondering. Some of these are fighting me, some of these aren't. I don't know if I can get that stain color. Well, while I'm at it, I must fix where the damn dealership screwed up. Okay, we are pretty much almost all done on this side. Of course, there's a couple right here that I couldn't necessarily get. Try again. No. We're gonna have to pound those in. We have to run this thing up and down. Think they used enough damn staples. Even with all them damn staples, they still managed to mess it up. Okay. Smell all that out. What are we at? We're at almost 25 minutes. Well, I think I'm gonna call it for part 2. Finding more issue after issue. Go ahead and take you guys over here to show you what we got. See that? See that? And you would think there would be a bracket. Now this was nailed in here, and that's what held this level. But that broke away, and then this is like this. When you're going down the road, this is like this. Okay. Bouncing back and forth like that. You want to tell me that's good for that? I mean, come on now. bouncing back and forth. But we're going to put some heavy duty deck screws, 1, 2. It's going to be extremely solid. N.R.T is going to get it done. Hopefully I can find this stain or that wood glue stuff that you push on wood and then it'll blend in. So, that you scribble on with a crayon, I believe. So, I don't know. It's really frustrating. N.R.T getting it done. So, I mean, the bright side is I can fix all the trim damage that the certified factory trained technician did. And N.R.T do job right. So, but never dull moment. Always gotta fix something. Catch you guys on the next one.